I've seen that skip in your step before, man. It must be a lady you're trying to impress. Well, if there's one thing I know about the ladies, they love picnics, and they love creepy mimes. Picnics and mimes, man. Yo, 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 there she is. Dave, relax. Play it cool, man. Come on, control yourself. Just stroll right over there. Take her by the hand. Yes, smooth operator. Very nice. Dave, you trying to figure out what food to get this girl? Let's start this date off right with some liver detox support, Dave. You have any cruciferous vegetables in that basket? Oh, that's wonderful. No worries, no worries. Not everybody's a fan of broccoli, although it would have been nice if you had prepared it with some butter, perhaps shallots. That's okay, there's other vegetables that feed liver, Dave. I saw something in your basket. I think you need to give her those beets, man. Oh, that's wonderful. Dave, presentation is everything, and you understand that. Yes. Oh, Dave, she did not like the beets. I told you not to give her those beets, man. You gotta pay attention. Dave. All right, it's time to do something special for this girl's thyroid. Yes. Dave, what girl can resist iodine-rich sea kelp? Dave, it's in your basket. I saw it. It's a little plastic baggie. Be gentle. It's quite expensive. There you go. Don't hesitate. Oh, girl, you don't know what that is? That's seaweed. That is a fantastic source of iodine to support your thyroid. You're welcome. Oh, Dave, I think I got this diagnosed, man. She didn't want that puny little dried sea kelp. She wants real sea kelp. That's right. Nothing like the real thing, Dave. All right, back to the drawing board. Dave, no, don't put down the flowers, man. We talked about this. Dave, girls don't like flowers. Don't be a fool. Hey, man, I know we're off to a rough start, and that's completely your fault, but listen. There is one food that no woman in the world can resist because it's loaded. It's loaded with B vitamins, iron, and zinc. Dave, it's time. It's time to break out the liver. Dave, do you trust me? Dave, do it. Do it. Dave, present the liver. Dave. There you go. Dave, you better hurry up with that liver, man. We got a code red intruder and he brought pizza. Hurry up, Dave. Make haste. Gotta move. You're losing her, Dave. All right, well, I can honestly say I did not see that coming. I think I know how I can fix this.
check.
The Cal Jam Network is your all-access pass to Cal Jam all year long. The site hosts hundreds of videos and endless chiropractic content. The network is a great resource for anyone passionate about chiropractic health. Visit this newly renovated Cal Jam streaming service at caljamnetwork.org.